Welcome. Click on My PC to open local disk. So this is the local disk we're going to try to partition. We are going to proceed to partition it now. On the search bar, type Run on the search bar, then click Open. Then proceed, and type diskmgm.msc. diskmgm.msc, that's what you're going to type in this column. Then at the end of it, click OK after typing it. The section for the disk management is now opened, as you can see. The disk has an unallocated section. So now on this section where the disk is, right-click this section, and from the drop-down menu, select Shrink Volume. As you can see, the size of available shrink space does not equate to the free space of over 50 gig. The shrink space does not equate to the free space, so we're going to figure out on another way to partition the disk. We can't partition it with Windows Disk Management, so we are going to use another method to do partition. So, we head over to google.com. We are going to partition it using a particular software, so go to google.com. On the search bar, type in AOMEI Partition Assistant. Click to proceed. Click the first search result. Click to download. The download is now complete. We are going to proceed by installing it. Click on Run. Depending on your PC, it could appear a different way. Click Continue. This is just a prelude to the installation process. You can skip this and continue. So, it's installing now. The installation is almost complete. The installation is now complete. Click Enjoy now. So this is the AOME dashboard with the Windows local disk size breakdown. On the disk size section, right-click it, and select Create Partition. As you can see, it has labeled the disk to C and D with the latter allocated 30 GB. So, we are going to change and allocate 20 GB to local D drive. So we proceed to change the partition size to the space we want. After doing this, click OK. Proceed and click Apply at the top left corner. On this part, click Proceed, so there are two options here. It has the option for pre-OS restart, so we would go with the default mode, and click OK. Once the OK is clicked, the PC would restart. So, the PC has restarted, and the partition process is now ongoing. The process usually takes a while. Just wait a while, a few seconds for it to run its course for the partition to be done. As you can see, the size we allocated as the partition, which is 20.5 GB, is displaying on the screen. It's almost done, a few seconds left for the PC to restart. The PC is now restarting. Please, don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. Kindly subscribe and like our videos. The PC is now restarting. The PC has formally restarted and now open. So we are going to see how the partition looks after it has been partitioned by the software. So, we click File Explorer. Head over to My PC, so as you can see, it has been formally partitioned to local disk C and D. So that's it, thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to the channel and like our videos. Until next time, thank you.